Hello, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I'm going to do or try something different today. I'm going to be using only pigment cell activators to make a fake bloom or shape with no colored paints at all, with a black background. And the thing with pigment cell activators is they don't sell up as well as regular 2 paints. Video number 90 is where I show you how to make a cell activator. But I wanted a sparkly cell activator, and in doing this, you don't need as much pillow paint down because you're not really, nothing's gonna really sink or spread. So I'm gonna do a thin layer of paint, and you could be more like focused as to what shapes you want, and they won't change too much. Hopefully, I don't know, I haven't actually done it yet. Oh, I'll tell you. So I'm using this little piggy, TLP, oh, you can't see, TLP. I'm using Twinkle, which is an interference kind of like purpley blue. I'm using a velvet blue, and I'm using Constellation. So these interferences also don't make amazing cells. The really thicker, more metallic ones would make cells, but I just wanted to see this kind of subtle color. This is a 16-inch round, and this is Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Tricorn Black. So I don't even need that much, and because well, I still do have a lot here. I'm gonna thin it out a bit and give it a little spin, because we're not really needing to spin it out too much. So let me spin it a bit, and we'll see how it goes. I just had this idea to do, oh, it's stuck to my board already. It's to do something a little different, because why not, right? We're always tired of seeing the same old blooms. I'm just gonna coat it. And like, I love the simplicity of how Dutch pours, you don't need to spin or do anything, and it just sits there and kind of dries nicely. I'm still gonna spin it a bit, but I just wanted to even out the paint a bit. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is, should I do a line or should I do multiple? You know what, let me try, let's see what happens if I do like 3 multiple blooms on an angle. And I should probably put on new gloves already, because you know how clean I like to be. So I'll start with the 2 interference colors, and I'll top it off with the Constellation. We'll see what happens. I hope this works out. All right, so here we go. I'm going to start with the velvet. Why don't I start in the, or should I do a line and just kind of blow it out? Whatever. I'll start here. I'll do velvet, and then I'll do the Twinkle, and maybe I'll blow it out first, and then I'll do the next one, because I'm not really afraid of anything sinking, because there's no paints that are happening, right? I don't know, is this weird? It could be. All right, ready? That's kind of cute, right? Like a legit flower. So your cells really aren't going to grow that much more. This is kind of what you get, but I don't mind it. They're kind of interesting. The middle is a little boring. Let's see if that does anything. All right, well, let's work on the next one and just see how it goes. So I'll do the same thing again. And what you'll see is in the light, the sparkles are gonna be great. So I'll put it like here. And you notice when I blow, it doesn't go that far because there's not that much paint underneath. We'll see if this is actually a thing. This is my first time trying, so I'm sure I could, you know, get better at it. What I like about this is I can take my time too. I don't know if it looks weird or grainy. Maybe I don't need both interference colors. All right. I don't know. Yeah, it's the middle that's bothering me. So what if, no, it'll just look like a blob of white. For the last one, I'm just gonna do one interference. Let's see if you can see the color sparkle though. Really nice. Okay. She can go over here. And I'll just do velvet on this one. And the constellation, I don't know, guys. Is this weird? All right, let's see. I'm definitely gonna pass out in a minute. Just joking. Okay. I'll wait till it comes back. Let me just see what I've done. I definitely like the first one the best. If I spin it right now, the two sides will come up, so I kind of want to stretch it back and forth first. Let me get rid of this. It's nice to have full sparkle, but it still needs to come up in the middle there. That's probably also the problem of having a thinner pillow. All right, well, let me spin it a touch and see what happens, right? And do we like them separate, or should I have connected them? Well, it's not really too late now, but maybe a little connection, right? All right, let's see. Take my stick, because they just look like they're, although I don't know, am I ruining it? I wish I could do this better. You know who's really good at this? You guys should check out Milky Way Designs, I believe. Charmin Khan. She's amazing at doing these modifications. Looks so pretty. I am not great. All right. Let's see. Spinner again. Okay. I'm still not like totally sold at what I've done. But let's keep going, right? What do we think? Sparkle, yes. The rest, not sure. I'll give her one more situation here. Okay. Well, I mean, I don't know. It's certainly different. I'm not sold on it yet. I probably could use some work. And again, different pigments would give it more of a celly look rather than, I don't know what I would call this, holy. But it's definitely a start, something to play around with. I'll do a close up for you in a minute, but I don't even know if you could see the colors. They're really pretty. Okay, well, please let me know what you think. Thank you for joining me. Fail, not fail, something. All right, have a good day. Bye.